And we're in the kitchen this morning with Chef Tim from Casa Marina Resort. Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
Good. What are we making?
Well, we have a wahoo. It's fresh catch wahoo out of Key West, and we have it with an avocado watermelon salad.
Ooh, I like the sound of that. All right, let's get started.
All right, here we have our wahoo. It's a fairly large fish.
Fairly large.
Yes.
Can we get a shot of that? Look at the size of this. Hold that up, Chef. Wow.
It's pretty big.
That's at least 1 pound, right?
Yes.
Maybe 2.
Yeah. What we do here is we have the fish concierge at the Casa Marina, and you can pretty much go out fishing all day as a guest, come back, and we'll fabricate it for you, grill it, saute it, any way you want us to do it, and pretty much just make a great dish for the day. It's great because it's pretty much dock to boat.
All right, tell us exactly what you're doing here.
Here we're fabricating the fish. We pretend we kind of got it in.
Right.
We're going to take it, cut it up, and get a portion that's obviously suitable for one person.
How big is that?
This right here is probably about 8 ounces.
That's 8 ounces? That's a big fish. Okay, so go ahead.
Good. We're going to start searing over here real quick.
How long do you sear it for?
I would say sear it just maybe 30 seconds on each side. We have 4 sides here.
So that's it?
Yeah. And then we're going to throw it in the oven for maybe 2 minutes. It's pretty quick.
So is the biggest concern with this, you don't want to overcook it?
Yeah, it's kind of like tuna. So you want to kind of have a little bit of moisture in the middle. You definitely want to make sure that it doesn't dry out.
Okay, so go ahead. What else?
Good. So we're going to start with our salad that we have here. We have our watermelon. We have our avocado here. Give it a quick dice up in the middle. And then we're going to put basil, mint, and some fennel.
Now, are there any variations on this, or is it pretty standard?
This is pretty much just like what you want to do. I mean, it's fresh, it's summery. You want to stay with that, and that's what we're trying to do, just make a really, really fresh salad for you.
All right.
We'll take a look over here. I like to use my fingers. Right there, we kind of see the searing and the caramelization that we have on it.
Wow, it certainly does.
Yes. We're going to take some mint, and we're going to tear it, and go ahead and throw that into the salad so we get a little mint.
I love that
summer.
mint.
Oh,
that is fantastic.
Mint is some good stuff. And then here we have basil as well, chiffonade, and a little bit of salt.
Right.
And then while we're doing it, we can just flip it to the next edge. Salt on the salad, just a touch.
Just a smidge.
Yeah, you want to really just emphasize the flavors. That's what salt does for you.
Okay. You have about 30 seconds, Chef.
You got it. A little bit of red pepper. You're going to take it, just stir it up, make it easy. Put it in the plate.
Okay.
And we have our magical fish dish thrown on top with a little bit of fennel.
Looking good.
And a little squeeze of orange.
That's it.
That's all.
Very quickly, Chef, what do you have coming up next hour?
Next, we have a ceviche dish.
Ooh.
Coconut and mango.
All right, looking forward to that. Chef
Excellent.
Tim, thank you so much for joining us in Good Morning South Florida.
Thank you.
Craig Gold, what do you have?